Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix SNS Bank app not working. So if your SNS Bank app is not working, follow these simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So there are two ways through which you can fix SNS Bank not working. The first way is to update your app. Sometimes your app may not work because it is not updated. So simply go to Play Store, tap on the search icon that is at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type SNS Bank. Now open the SNS Bank application. Here you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your app is not updated, you can see update option over here. All you have to do is tap on that option and your app will be updated. But since my app is already updated, there is open option over here. So the next way is to clear the cache of the SNS Bank app. Simply go to settings, scroll down and find storage. Tap on storage. Now you can see several options over here like apps, system, videos, images, etc. All you have to do is tap on apps, scroll down and find SNS Bank app. Now simply tap on the application and here you can see option for clearing storage and clearing cache. All you have to do is tap on clear cache. Since my cache is already cleared, it is not enabled over here. If your cache is not cleared, clear cache option will be enabled and all you have to do is tap on it and your cache will be cleared. After you follow these two steps, your SNS Bank app will work. So that is how you fix SNS Bank app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.